Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add music in Capcut using your iPhone. So here I have a video in my project and I want to add a music to it. What I have to do is click on this add audio button here. So click on that and then click on sounds on the editing options down below. And then click on one of these several folders. For example, I'm going to choose vlog and then I'm going to choose this song. And if I want to edit to my video, just click on the little plus button over there. And now it is added to my video. So that's how you add music to your video in Capcut. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another tutorial from this channel, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Bye bye.